What's up, people? It's your boy Josh, and today I'm with Hannah Banana. Yeah, Hannah Banana. Yeah, Hannah Banana. Okay, so today she's the actor today, and we're gonna shoot a video of her doing the whole product, what that she's gonna be doing today. Yeah, so this is the outfit for the day. I'm shooting this. So you ready?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes. Yeah.
So before that, all this happened.
Need to hurry up. Oh my god, they are low. Oh my god, they're not working. This is crazy. My bank is down right now and I haven't yet collected my money. So it is crazy. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it. It's 10:30 right now. I have about 1 to actually make this video. So it's a lot. I don't have time. But let's see. God help me. To get some cash, and now it's time to head out. The first thing I need to do is actually get a selfie stick to actually film my video. I broke the last one I had, so now it's time to get the stick and shoot this video. God, it's crazy. I have less time right now. It's like 10:40 or something, and the person I'm shooting with is waiting for me at this moment as I speak. Ah, my stick. Yeah, so I need to get this stick, pay for it, and I'll be on my way. Thank you, Baya, so much. Ajwa. Yeah. What's good? So I met somebody here, and she's very famous at Peru University.
It's not like that.
It is actually like that. What's up?
How you doing, man?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Where you going?
Gonna go to an electronic store.
Uh-huh.
I gotta buy a new phone.
A new phone? Oh, she got money. Can I get a phone too?
Maybe next time when I get richer.
When she gets richer, she's gonna give me an iPhone 17, innit?
Yeah.
And she lives way up there. The elevator is not working. You're kidding. You are kidding me. And she lives on the 7th floor, gang. What the heck is happening today? She's not even opening the door. Bro, been here for a few minutes and she's not even opening the door. I don't even know. This is the floor. And I think finally she's here. Oh, there she is. Brushing her teeth even. You going to shower? Okay, she's not showering. All right, but this is the location we're actually gonna shoot the whole thing, so very, so much going on here. Just move a bit this way.
Smile.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, because it's very, you like it.
Very nice.
Yeah, like you sniff?
Then hold it this way.
Yeah, smile.
No, you should see your face. Maybe you should do this one. Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, nice. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm so sorry. Give me a second.
Anyway, as you can see, it's like taking a lot of time. You know, girls.
You saying we can't sniff?
Oh, that's crazy.
We can smell things. We like the best at smelling things.
Sniff away.
Can you do it again so I copy you?
3, 2, 1.
The breath.
Hannah Banana, she's a recently blooming moniker.
Hey.
You're just doing the light here, okay? And then there we're gonna take scenes of you just brushing your teeth.
I gotta do that again. So I'm looking into the camera, right?
Yeah, you know, you're speaking to the audience. You're speaking to somebody. Speaking to me.
Work if you could understand what I'm saying.
I do.
What am I saying?
Words. You say, what are you saying? What have you been using for a while? Like your iPhone?
It sucks, but
What do you like? What do you like?
like
You.
in product. I don't really,
No, like what do you like though?
like, isn't it like a product?
Like a product or a thing or whatever it is.
I like my teddy bear.
A teddy bear.
Don't do that. I feel love towards it. It's been with me for so long.
Alright, now your teddy bear is novel. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Minha manhã ficou muito melhor desde que comecei a usar o novo. Oh, sorry, I forgot. A minha rotina da manhã ficou muito melhor desde que comecei a usar o novo.
That's what I'm talking about. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
A minha rotina da manhã ficou muito melhor desde que eu comecei a usar o novo Herbal.
So all that was good morning, something, and
Yeah, my morning.
my
yes.
morning.
A minha rotina.
Okay.
A minha rotina.
A minha rotina. My morning routine has never been the same.
Yeah. Ficou muito melhor.
So, where do you get a light?
A ring light?
You do?
No, but please does.
You've been out.
No, she's literally my neighbor. She lives in front of
Will
me.
you please?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're living a friend's fantasy.
Wow, you must be the happiest there is.
Alright. Damn it. This product has to be like proper lighting and stuff. Hey, more this angle so we can see those curly, those whiteys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, okay. There you go, Hannah Banana smiling and stuff.
Minha boca fica leve, o hálito fresco. Boca leve, hálito fresco por mais tempo. Minhas gengivas bem mais saudáveis. É como minha boca fica leve.
Algo suave. Algo suave, mais eficaz. Eu queria algo suave, mais eficaz.
Let's just do a quick one. Like nobody's supposed to know. They're gonna know. How would they know? Okay, so you're putting your 8, 3, 2. Man, I'm bored. Okay. I'm just gonna turn it around. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Can you put it on this other side? Kinda, yeah. Yeah, drop that stringy thingy on the side.
Is it supposed to be like hanging here?
Yeah, use your other hand. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Yeah, you're allowed. You can go. Yeah, here it is.
I just woke up. I just woke up.
You just woke up? My cake? Your cake?
Cake.
What do you mean?
For your past birthday.
Oh.
Ah, you're taking Josh's time and he's taking mine.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ciao, ciao.
Okay, you gonna pick it up. Cool. Now. This is your mirror. 3, 2, 1, go. Brushing your teeth twice. That was better. You got that shot.
You don't wanna be all by myself.
This is actually the lyrics.
Ready? Let me see.
How do you guys brush your teeth? I've always wondered how other people brush their teeth.
All right, ready?
Mhm.
No, wait, the toothpaste is not really. Ugh. Damn it, the focus is crazy.
I'm not. A minha manhã ficou muito melhor desde que comecei a usar o novo Herbal.
A few moments later.
Sabe, minha mãe falou. Sorry.
Right there. 3, 2. The same way you're gonna get up, okay? If you're gonna put your hand here, maintain when you're here, okay? So you're gonna do this. If you're gonna go, make sure it's like that. So if you're putting your hand here, I'm gonna change the scene. I'm gonna be like this. It should be here again for the second scene, okay? So if it's like that, yeah. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, man.
Sorry.
Breaking everything you have. Okay.
It's okay.
It's okay to break them?
No. I would forgive you if you did, but it's not okay to break them. I always knew my classes would end up in camp.
Alright, buddy.
Can I just at least if they're gonna appear, they should look pretty. It's the first time for everything. And maybe not the cupcake thing. Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to make carrot cupcakes.
You make? You
I
do?
moved it too.
Oh, you want it?
Are you a rabbit or something?
Yo, what the hell is that? 2 more go. I'm just gonna take you putting them on. Isn't it? Okay, now, yeah. And you should smile, okay? You're not off, then yeah, you're picking them up again, okay, from there.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, okay. All right. Teeth.
I have a lot.
Do they really like whiten the teeth?
Hey. Yeah, this happened, by the way. It's very sad. Fell, broke.
Of course he did.
How do normal people wake up just so I can know?
No, you do it how you do it. In fact, what I actually need is your energy, okay? You. If you're going to, that's what I need. You, don't act like someone else, okay? Cool? All right.
I'm grumpy when I wake up though.
That's up to you. Try to stretch. Let's see.
Yep, they'll be doing the stretching definitely.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, pause. All right. Now, very warm, like smile a little bit. Yeah, like. Because we need this. Your teeth, we need in here.
I can do
Everything
that.
else we don't need. All right, move a bit this side.
How the world knows how I remove light.
Yeah, this guy is ridiculously funny. I'm not even gonna lie.
Gone, and I was trying to find clothes. Like, I just threw it. Just give me like 3 minutes.
You're kidding. And that's what happens, folks. That's what happens. I'm just gonna stay here for like hours. Just, yeah, what the hell is doing that? You're very smart. You can do this.
No, really.
All right, so yeah, we're done with the shoot. And how did you feel about it?
It was great experience. I did not know it was so hard to wake up, or to brush my teeth, or to do whatever I do every single day. But it was cool.
It was cool. So yeah, we're gonna show you the full video later on. Hannah Banana took up most of my time.
You took up my time.
Thank you so much for wasting my time. But hey, we did it. It happened, and appreciate you. Make sure that the video gets accepted by the company. So let's freaking go.
A minha rotina da manhã ficou muito melhor desde que eu comecei a usar o novo Herbal. Eu queria algo suave, mais eficaz. E esse creme dentário é simplesmente fresco e limpo. E não deixa aquela ardência de menta, sabe? A minha boca fica leve, o meu hálito fresco por mais tempo e as minhas gengivas bem mais saudáveis. É como o cuidado de natureza em um tubo. E já virou parte da minha rotina diária e eu não troco por nada. Se você também gosta dessa sensação de frescor natural, você vai amar o novo Herbal. Experimente uma vez e vai entender o porquê.